Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. In-text questions. Problem 2.10. What are the frequency and wavelength of a photon emitted during a transition from n equals 5 state to the n equals 2 state in the hydrogen atom? Solution. From the previous lecture, we know that n equals minus 2.18 into 10 raised to the power minus 18 multiplied by z square upon n square. Substituting the values in the given expression of delta E, n equals minus 2.18 into 10 raised to the power minus 18 multiplied by 2 square upon 1 square. After calculation, n equals minus 8.72 into 10 raised to the power minus 18 joules. The radius of the orbit is given by Rn equals 0.0529 multiplied by n square divided by z. Rn equals 0.0529 divided by 2. After calculation, Rn equals 0.02645 nanometer. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.